Hello. In this video, I'm going to go over the different ways to describe colors in WordPress. So here we have a page. It has one section with one row. One row contains a text module. The section settings, go into background, and then add color. I'm going to make the background red. So red, green, blue. This is FF0000. Then I'm going to change the text to black. So black is all zeros. So it is neither red, neither green, neither blue. It's all just black. Okay. Then I'm going to duplicate this row. Go up here, duplicate section. And then I'm going to change the background color of the section to green, so 00, FF 00, and then it becomes this lime green. Duplicate this section again, change the background color to blue. Background color is going to be 0000FF. Becomes blue. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this again. So blue, red, green, blue. First two variables are how much red. Third and fourth variables are how much green, and the fifth and sixth variables are how much blue. So basically I'm going to make this a red, but a lighter shade of red. So it's going to be 2 Fs. And then let's see, 0A. As you can see, it becomes slightly lighter. It actually starts at 1. Seven, 8, 9. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use A to F. So if I do 0A. So if it's red and green together, it becomes a yellow. I'm going to duplicate this again. If I wanted a lighter shade of red, I would not use FF. I would use something before that, like AF, which becomes an orange. Not sure what shade of orange that is. All these colors have interesting names. Okay, so that is one way to describe colors in WordPress. Another way is just to spell the name out. If I duplicate this again to advanced, the row section, text section. I go into content. I put a class here. No. I'll add a custom class. I'll just say I'll just call it row 7. If I do row 7, let's say the colors, this will change the text color. If I do maroon, so maroon is a red purple. some reason it doesn't work there, so you have to go to the freeform CSS. I'm actually just going to leave that the same, so I'm going to do background color. Let's actually have this in the section settings. And for this, I would make color white. There we go. Another way to do this. This is going to be the last example. There are other ways to do this as well. This video is already getting long, so I'm just going to show one more way to do this. For the background color, you can also do it using RGB. That would be it changes both of them, so I'm going to call this row 8. Let's see, I'm actually going to make this let's make this a yellow. Let's make it a darker shade of yellow. So it's maybe 30. Not 30. 100. Oh, this is a lighter shade of yellow. A darker shade of yellow. So white would be 255 for all of them. Then black would be 0, 0 red, 0 green, and 0 blue. This one actually makes more sense to me. It's the reverse of hexadecimal. So I'll make it, for example, yellow. It would be red 255, green 255. Now lighter yellow would be something like blue would be 100. Okay. Let's change the background color there. Changing the class ID. And just by changing the ID, not the class. And then for what's going on here? Let's actually change the color to something. Maybe how about a pink? Well, a gray color is just going to be the same for each. Maybe I'll make that the last one, and I'll call the end of the video. So RGB here would be, for example, 100 for each. That's pink. Be 100 for each. 150 for each. There we go. That concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel.